That is one of the birdsong patterns that I noticed as the birds were singing. Compare that to the signal of my voice on the same analyzer. And this bird sound pattern is very different. If you are ever in Richland Hills, Texas, please stop by King Donuts and give them some love, because they are awesome people, wonderful coffee, wonderful donuts, wonderful environment. Please swing by and visit. They did not sponsor this message. I'm doing this because I like them. Thank you very much. This is Darren Marchant with American Nomad News.